Y'all, you need some upper body strength because the way my arms hurt, no joke, okay? Like, ugh. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, welcome. My name is Jayla, and as you can tell by today's title, it is going to be a soft curls tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how I curl my hair to look effortless, like soft curls, beach waves. It's just so easy and so cheap. So if you guys want to see how I got this look and these effortless curls, just keep on watching. All right, you guys, I am starting with some fresh blow-dried hair. No curls, no nothing. I normally do start with curls if I let them air dry, but for the sake of this video, I did not have time, so we're going with blow-dried hair. I've already put some heat protectant in my hair. I will link that down below in the description bar if you guys want to know what it was. And y'all, it smells so good. And my hair has never been so soft in my life. So enough of that, let's go ahead and get into the video. So I'm gonna start off by just taking right above my ear and parting it in half, like so, and wrapping it however you want to clip it up. Do you, boo? I normally just do a hair bow. And when we get to the top layer, I'm gonna go ahead and use some clips. So I let that sit for about like 15 seconds, I believe. I don't really count. I just feel like when I feel like it's been long enough on my hair, then I take it out. And then right after, I leave it in a curl. I just crunch it a couple times. It's still kind of hot, so be careful. Also, this curling one came with a little glove. It is too cute. I forgot to put it on. You see how that just curls? The curling one I'm using is a bed head. It's like 1 1/4 inch, like in width. I normally have a smaller one, but I wanted one with a thicker barrel. And I'm so glad I did because I love this one. It just gives you more of like a softer curl and like a more like I don't know, voluminous curl, if you get my drift. It's just really nice. Curling away from the face, so, you know. Sometimes I will curl towards the face. I'll show y'all when I get a little bit further along in the video where I do it at, but it's not like super noticeable. All right, hold that. And I'll link like the curling wand I use and the protector, heat protector I use too. Okay, now that I'm done with that layer, I'm gonna go ahead and move up. I don't rake it all out until I'm like completely done. And if you don't rake your curls out, what are you doing? Don't mind this, I just got my Nexplanon implant taken out. Thank the Lord above. I was so beyond over it. So I'm gonna take a big chunk of this one out. And it's just almost like, I take 3, 1, 2, and 3, and you'll see the third in a second. Y'all did not mind my busted nails. I went on vacation this weekend and I just took them all off. I was so over it. So, oh my gosh. All right, so if this doesn't work, I'm gonna go ahead and use trying to use a clip so I'm not so harsh on my hair. And I just found a huge clip over there, thank God. These all to the back so I know what I've already done. So here we go. So I leave the crown for last and you'll see why, because I like to make it go up and just flow and look good, okay? So back here on these, I like to start from the back simply because I hate, loathe doing the back part of my hair. I don't know why. I think just to me, 1, it's uncomfortable on your arm. 2, it's just hard. I feel like I don't know what it looks like and I feel like it looks bad, but I know it doesn't, but still. All right, wrap it around. And guys, wrap it tight. so you know it's not loose. And use that glove that comes in the thing. Use it, because the amount of times I burn my finger on this wand, it's almost a little ridiculous. It's almost embarrassing as much as I curl my hair. Yeah, especially like when you're trying to hold it. Not when you're holding it, but like when you're trying to take it from the curling wand, it gets really, really hot. God, I hate how this looks. Oh my gosh. My hair is burning, y'all. I should wear that glove. But look how cute. And these pieces on this middle, I use smaller pieces just so the curls look a little bit more full. And on these, I go back and forth. Like I curl away from the face and I also curl towards the face. Again, make it look like you have more volume in your hair and not all your curls are going one way. So, yeah, like I did my makeup today. I actually tried for once. But yeah, this is gonna be a fairly short video. Now that I'm like looking at the time, fairly short. Hot. So you see how like this side is taking me longer because I'm taking like smaller pieces. So. And honestly, it only takes me about like 30 to 45 minutes to curl with this way. It's honestly not that long. Obviously, I have more like wavy-ish than curly hair, and obviously because it's straight right now, it's not going to take me that long, but it does not take me long at all. I just hate doing it. Y'all, you need some upper body strength because the way my arms hurt, no joke, okay? Like, ugh, I have no upper body strength. The fact that holding my hair is a struggle for me is almost freaking sad. They look like waves, but they're not. Okay, so for this one, I curled like almost like towards the ceiling instead of like to the side, just again, so it gives it more volume. And some more curls, sis, okay? Ow, ow. I held that for a little bit short of time because it is thinner than the rest. See how it kind of comes up? Now that I know with this side, I'm gonna go ahead and move to the top. All right, so for this part, I legit split it straight down the middle. And just like the one under it, I go from the back to the front, and I will show you why in a minute. So on the top one, I use really small ones, just because, you know, the curls up top, you want them to be popping. You want them to look good. You want them to pop off. So I do smaller ones so you can really see them. And again, away from the face. You see how like tight that one is because I've used smaller pieces. Like, it's like legit like just this much of hair. My hair actually came out decent for me to have blow dried it and also put it in a bun a second ago. It actually came out really good. I think I'm gonna start doing that. Maybe I'll show you guys how I do my blow drying thing because right now it looks crazy because it's been up in buns for this video. But it took me so long to figure out how to actually like use that thing and use it like to make my hair look really good. That's the only downside of doing this. Your arm, at least your left one, I don't know if you're left or right-handed, one of your arms is always up in the air. Jeez Louise. Okay, so for this piece right up here at the very front, it literally is just like a square. Okay. Then you legit just wrap it around super tight and just wrap around super tight and just like twirl it. I don't know if it does anything, but it's just what I do. And I just hold that for a little bit longer than the rest. All right, guys, now that I'm all done, I'm just gonna go ahead and rake it through. My hair can hold a curl for the most part, so I normally don't use hairspray. But if you know your hair doesn't, or that's just what you like, go ahead and do that. But I am good. I know I'm just gonna wash this out in 2 days anyway, so there's really no point. Comb it through. See how it gives you that curtain bang effect, y'all? You see it. You see it, sis, and you see it. It is just so like soft and like effortless curls. You know what I mean? It looks like I live on a beach. I have beach waves. They're so pretty. And that heat protectant honestly made it so shiny. I'm 100% gonna have to link it. But yeah. And obviously if you see some pieces you don't really like, touch it up and then leave it a second and then curl it, you know, finger wave it back out. So even though I did the middle part, you can legit just flip it to the side and it will still look really good. You see? Still effortless, cute. To the other side. Yeah, it's just like really soft curls. For me, I personally love it. Just matches everything. It just looks good with everything. Can never go wrong with a soft curl. You feel me? All right, guys, that is it for my perfect soft curls tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what you guys think. Of course, like, comment, and subscribe. I would greatly appreciate it, and I will see you guys in the next one.